What if your AI clone could post videos while you're off the clock? With BIGVU, that's not a hypothetical anymore. The AI Twin Avatar and AI Avatar Video Generator let you create a digital version of yourself that speaks, presents, and engages your audience without you sitting in front of a camera every single time. You record once, train your avatar, and then let it do the heavy lifting. Going on vacation, your channel keeps posting. Busy with family, your avatar handles the content. For creators over 40 juggling real responsibilities, this is a genuine game changer. And it's not just avatars. BIGVU's AI talking photo and AI voice design tools mean your content can keep showing up consistently in your voice and your style around the clock. Your audience never has to wait. You never have to burn out. Go to bigvu.tv right now and build the version of you that never takes a day off.